Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Dear Denise Diary. As in the title, today we'll be doing some unboxing. If it is your first time here, I want to say welcome to the family, and please consider subscribing. It would be lovely to have you join our family. Also, if you're an old subscriber, we want to say thank you. You know how much we appreciate you. We appreciate you for watching our videos all the time. We appreciate all the love that you give us and all the support. We appreciate you so much. Now let's get into it. Today we are doing some unboxing. We are unboxing this. Now, I had so many things come through the post recently, and unfortunately I wasn't sure which is which, so I sort of opened them. So really I already know what's in here, so it's sort of like unboxing and unboxed, you know what I mean. But for you, it's going to be an unboxing because it's your first time you're going to see what is in here. So let's get started. Yes, open the box. Okay, so I've opened it here already, so let's get this out. This is how it came, which I think is quite cool. Very well packaged. Okay, let's put this on the side. So this is it. It says it's PVA free, which is quite important. As to whether it's true or not, I don't know, but this is the brand. So let's open this. This is it. It's the kitchen utensils. I saw them online and I thought they were just so cute, so I bought them, and yes, it had to be red. It's one of my colors. I love red. So this one, when I saw it, I really thought it was a tin, but it turned out that it's plastic, which is also fine. And we have this. So this is silicone, but the it's got a wooden handle. This is for spaghetti. It's a bit, I don't know. So yeah, that, and then we have this one. Okay, so then our next one, we have this one. This one, I don't know, it's quite cute. We have that, and let's just get everything out. And we have that, and then we have this one. We have this one, and this, and that one. This is a 12 piece, so we should have 12 altogether. I love this. It's so handy. And which one else we have? We have this. And then we have this one. So this is what we have in the box. It's supposed to be 12, so let's have a look. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I guess this makes it 12. So I just want to do some quick comparisons so you have an idea of how it's, I mean, you can see it now. This should give you an idea of how big it is. This is quite nifty. but because it's a silicone and wood, I think you have to take care of it in two different ways. I don't know, because the wood will require different care to silicone. Silicone, you can just scrub it, well, yeah, and get it done. This one, I don't know, you probably have to keep it up by polishing or something, but then you don't want polishing your food, do you? So yeah, I just want to do a quick comparison here. Just 1 second.
2,000 years later.
If we take this is my plastic spoon, normal size here, and you look at this one, it's just a little difference, isn't it? So it's not too bad. And then this one I find very small. I think in my soups, maybe I can use to dish, but you know, when you have like this, I think you want something like this size, not too bad at all. Or perhaps maybe this. So that's how it compares. I think if that helps you to this thing. So yeah, and then this one, I have them in so many sizes you don't even want to know. You can compare it to something like this, or you can even compare it to actually this one. This is really cute, which is like that one. I think it will still do the job. And then this is my tongue. This is a long one, and I have this. So a long one and a short one. This is long. It's helpful when you're doing barbecue, and this is short. It makes picking up things also much easier. Yeah. Yeah, I just thought I should compare it so you have an idea of the sizes. This is also not bad. It's for stews and stuff. And then you have this spatula. I have this plastic spatula here. I use a lot of them. They can compare actually. The difference is, you know, this is probably more plasticky than this. Now, I love this, but it looks a bit, well, I'll judge it after using it. The nice thing about silicone is when you wash it, you know there's gonna be no smell, there's not gonna be any residue. So it's really good to use as compared to, I have this one that I use to butter my tins and stuff like that, and whenever I finish using it, I really need to give it a really good clean with warm water, not hot, because there's glue in here that's holding this together. So it's got to be like warm water because you don't want it pulling out. And then I'll use lime or lemon, you know, and dishwashing liquid to just make sure that I get all the oils and fats of it, and also it doesn't have any smell. But some, like with this ones, with silicones, they're really good. When you wash them, you don't get any smells and residue and things on there. Yeah, so this is a new addition to my kitchen stuff. Unfortunately, I'm such a shopaholic, so yeah, I just thought I'll show this to you. And I'll probably put the links down if you're interested. If I forget, please do ask me in the comments, and then I'll put the links down for you to buy. I've forgotten how much they cost, but I'll look for it and put it on. I bought this on AliExpress. The thing with AliExpress is you probably find different vendors selling the same things. So what I do is I go to different vendors and read their recommendation, their comments, and things at the bottom there, just to make sure that I'm happy with what people are saying. I mean, you can't really believe everything, but then you pick up the best ones. Also, I don't know, it's you just have to go with your guts or whatever. This is the second time I've ever bought things from AliExpress. I'm also just experimenting to see if there are vendors on there that I can trust or not, you know. But yeah, it's just a matter of taking the chance. So I will put the link down if I remember, like I said. Otherwise, please do put a comment down below if I've forgotten, and I'll put it in the description box for you. And yeah, so if you've ever seen this on your social media feed or something, you're interested or you think you want one, this is how they look like before you buy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna say bye for now. This was just a very quick video, so thank you for visiting, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's been nice having you, and until next time, bye for now.